Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm so excited about this look because this is one of my favorite Halloween looks. So here I'm gluing the wig cap with Got2b hairspray, and then I dry with a blow dryer because it's faster, and then you need to cut off all extras. Now you want to cover all edges and lines, and especially your part, so it has the same color as your foundation. And here's Magic Transformation. Again, it's a lace wig, so you need to do the same steps with hairspray and blow dryer, and then you cut off all extras. This way it looks more natural and realistic. Cleaning off all extras like a hairspray, on my skin with Pixi Glow Toner, and then I'm covering my eyebrows with the glue and then powder. And I found I have this white concealer from Cover FX, and this basically worked as my foundation for this look. And you can use like face and body paint in white as well. And now I outline where my eyes should be, then nose and mouth as a skull. And I wanted to do a more sexy look, so I did it in a cat eye shape. And here, make sure you really define your cheekbones pretty high so it gives you a more realistic look. And now I'm filling everything with black paint. Again, you can use face and body black paint, but I'm using here a liquid lipstick. Actually, this is from Sephora, and it worked perfectly because it dries, it's pretty pigmented and blendable. So now I'm taking blending brush and blending all edges because again, I want this look to be sexy, kind of like smoky eye. And now these lines will help you to create like an angry kind of face. Then I set everything with black eyeshadows. I have this palette from Kat Von D, and I use basically two colors, black and white, from this palette. And now the hardest part are teeth, because literally I spent around 40 minutes to perfect them. I wanted to look very scary, creepy, and realistic. So make sure you take your time and do your best with this step. So I'm outlining first upper and bottom part, and also make sure you don't bring them way too far up to your ear, because I see some people drawing their teeth next to ears and you don't have that naturally, okay? And also it's the best to have a picture in front of you so you can just follow up with that. Now I'm filling in with just white paint and then bringing the shadow up so it kind of imitates the root of your teeth. And now with the same liquid lipstick and black eyeshadow, I just blend my cheekbones. I don't know how you call it. I don't know what's the name for that. Then I glued some Swarovski, red Swarovski crystals on my face. And now I'm painting my body, like just basically half of my body with the body paint. Of course, I need to glow because I'm a glam skull. And I don't recommend these contact lenses because you can't see anything with them. So it's just good for pictures, but not to wear them outside. And this is the final look, you guys, and I hope you love it because I did, and I had so much fun creating this look. And if you recreate this, please tag me. I would love to see you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.